Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to log in to Santander Denmark account. So let's dive into the video right away. Launch open a web browser of your choice and then go to the URL box at the top and type in santanderconsumer.dk and search. Once you end up in the official site, click on the sign in button at the top right corner. Now, click on the log on to online banking option on the next page. Click on the login button on the next page once again. Enter your user ID in the text box that appears on the next page and click on the next button. On the next page, you will need to type in your password for your Santander account. Once you are done typing in your user ID, click on the next button and on the next page, type in your password for your Santander Consumer Bank online account. Once you are done entering your correct password, you will then be able to sign into Santander Denmark online account. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.